Hey, hi. Good morning, guys. My name is Jalek, though I don't think so that's needed though, but still. I'm 20 years old. Mm, I ain't gonna say what I'm doing in my life because that doesn't really matter to the topic I'm gonna talk about today. So, you know, this is my, to be honest, this is my first YouTube video I'm making, and I'm pretty in the situation that, oh, dude, I'm doing it. Oh my god, okay. I might be good at it, I might be bad at it. Doesn't matter. The thing matters is I'm doing it. So it started a couple of years back when I was thinking to share a few of my thoughts or a few of my ways, a few of my experience with people, but I couldn't understand. I thought of writing a blog, but that wasn't really helping me, or kind of not helping anyone else. So yeah. क्योंकि क्या है ना, लोगों को ज़्यादा लंबा चौड़ा चीज़ें पढ़ने का शौक नहीं है. तो I thought of making a YouTube video. That's also 3 years back. And today morning, I just get up, and I think that this quarantine has helped me to do a lot of new things, to come up with a lot of new things, actually to do something with my life. तो हम लोग सब लोग वेले बैठे हुए हैं, तो सोचते चलो कुछ कर ही लेते हैं. अब वो अच्छा होगा, वो बुरा होगा, at the end of the day we will get to know. So I wake up in the morning and I'm just lying on my bed looking at the ceiling. At that particular moment, I get a text from my friend कि आज का क्या प्लान है. दैट्स अ नाइस क्वेश्चन. एक इंसान क्वारंटाइन में, लॉकडाउन में घर पे बैठा हुआ है, क्या प्लान हो सकता है? एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो बहुत कुछ प्लान हो सकता है. Some people might working on themselves, some people might learning new things, some people have their passion that they are trying to continue that. I have few friends and they always wanted to learn cooking. So now they are sitting at home doing nothing. So they are learning cooking from learning from their mothers, and they are kind of doing it well. So after the question, I get it from my friend. He's my college mate. I think I just told him that yeah, I'm confused right now. Like I'll study for a while and then I'll think about the internship. दो हम लोग को ये लॉकडाउन में भी internship करना पड़ रहा है. So after telling this to him, and then I was like, why don't I make a YouTube channel, make the video I always wanted to do? Doesn't matter what the topic is, doesn't matter I have thought about it or not, but if I think right now कि यार बाद में कर लेंगे, जो मैंने 3 साल पहले या 3 साल से सोचती आई हूँ कि बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, और वो बाद में कभी आया ही नहीं है. So I was like, यार इतना जो लंबा चौड़ा लॉकडाउन मिला हुआ है, आई डोंट थिंक सो जिंदगी में आगे जाके मिलेगा. तो आई वाज लाइक, it's not a bad idea to do it. I might, like, if I do it, I might end up being a meme for people. एटलीस्ट हंसने के काम आऊंगी या हंसाने के काम आऊंगी, आई कैन से, बिकॉज लोगों की आदत नहीं होती उतना अप्रिशिएट करने की, सो दे जज, एंड नॉट अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी. सो या, सो I told my parents about this, and my mom is like, if you think of doing it, do it. And as always, my mom always have supported me for any new idea I came up with, so she did as always. तो थोड़ा सोचा कि थोड़ा फ्रेश होके थोड़ा अच्छा दिखने की कोशिश करते हैं, पहला वीडियो है. सो गाइज, आई डोंट डू मेकअप एंड शर्ट क्योंकि मुझे इचिंग होने लगती है. सो आई एम द सिंपल. हाँ, मेरी शक्ल देख देख के शायद बोर भी हो जाओ, बट मेरी बातें सुन के शायद से बोर ना हो. आई विल ट्राई टू एंटरटेन यू गाइज एज मच एज आई कैन, बट I every day, like whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna make a video on life. What's life? According to everyone. मेरे हिसाब से life is everything. Like, people say for me money is life, people say for me love is life, people say for me achieving my dream is life. So at the end of the day, everything comes back to life. कोई बोलेगा वो मेरा दोस्त है, वो मेरी जिंदगी है, वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है या बॉयफ्रेंड है, और वो मेरी जिंदगी है. So why at the end of the day we end up saying life, zindagi? Because do whatever you want in your life, or we do whatever we want in our life. At the end of the day, we think about life. I know ये थोड़ा confusing है, so मैं इस चीज़ को लेके ज़्यादा बोर नहीं करूँगी. Today's topic, what I want to ask you people is, according to you people, what is friendship? Obviously, मेरे हिसाब से दोस्ती का मतलब कुछ और है, आपके हिसाब से दोस्ती का मतलब कुछ और होगा, मेरे दोस्तों के हिसाब से दोस्ती का मतलब कुछ और होगा, मेरे पेरेंट्स के हिसाब से या कजन्स के हिसाब से दोस्ती का मतलब कुछ और होगा. बिकॉज वी ऑल हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड friendship in our own ways. For few people it has like a dream come true, for few people it became toxic or a nightmare. And that's true, things happens, we experience. So I really want to know from you people that what is friendship? आपको क्या लगता? Like हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में देखते हैं that there are few friendship which is going on from years together, like या तो बचपन से ही चल रहा है, and it turned into love, and they get married and everything, and for people like them it is a dream come true. But there are few people who experiences very bad in friendship, and they are not able to get over it. It has happened with me also. There are few friendship I had which broke, and I wasn't able to get over it. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to get over it. But now I'm fine with that, because if it has happened, it happened for a reason, obviously. So मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मैं बच गई at the end of the day. भाई अपन साइड में, अपन खुश है, अपन जिंदा है, यही चीज़ है. तो my age is 20, and मैं जब लोगों को अपने एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ, if somebody wants to hear about it, मैं एक ही चीज़ सुनती हूँ लोगों से कि तुम्हारी एज नहीं है, तुमने अब तक जिंदगी नहीं देखी है, तुमने अब तक दुनिया नहीं देखी है, तुमने अब तक कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. What I think is, doesn't matter what your age is, चाहे तुम 20 हो या चाहे तुम 50 हो या तुम उससे कम हो, it's on you that, like, what I want to say is, age नहीं मैटर करता. आप 10 साल के होने के बाद भी बहुत कुछ एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो, और आप उससे ज़्यादा होने के बाद भी बहुत कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ रहता तुम्हें. There are many examples, like I have a friend, his father is 60 right now, but there are many things he hasn't experienced in his life. There are many things, 60 or more than that, I guess. Sorry, but yeah, I think so, it's more than that. And there are many things he doesn't know about, and he is learning from his son. So that's what I appreciated, that there are many people जिनमें वो इच्छा होती है एक्सपीरियंस करने की. तो अगर आप कोई अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता है ना, आप उसको उठ के ये चीज़ बोलते हो कि बस तुमने दुनिया नहीं देखी, तुमने जिंदगी नहीं देखी, तुमने देख के क्या उखाड़ लिया भाई, तुम भी तो यहीं खड़े हो, राइट? So rather than taunting them something like that, help them to experience. What I think is, मैं शायद 20 की हूँ या नहीं हूँ, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. I have experienced few things, I have been through few things, and my mom has always supported me in things. She has a very big part in my life, to be very honest, and even she has made me experience a lot of things, realize a lot of things. So share your experience with people. That's what I think. So you're sharing it not just because you have been through things, you're sharing it because तुमने वो सारी चीजें की है, तुमने उस लेवल का पागलपंती किया है. That's why you know what can be the consequences and stuff, right? What can be like the reaction of it, or what can be the result of it, or anything you can say. So yeah, this is life. Experiences, struggle, living it the way it comes in your way, to be honest. Maybe I can be wrong, लेकिन struggle सब करते हैं बच्ची. Sorry for those things, but yeah, that's true. तो मेरे हिसाब से दोस्ती का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा है, and even I'm gonna tell you that what I think what friendship is. But before that, I want to know that according to you guys, friendship क्या है? आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, आप मुझे बता सकते हो, because what I think is, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं who needs help, who actually need help. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करना चाहते हैं, but they don't have anybody who will listen to them because all the time they are just getting judged, even by their own people. So whenever I'll get time, I'll upload a video. But first I want to know the question of my answer. The answer of my question, sorry. I'm not very good at it. As I said, this is my first YouTube video. So I want you guys to answer it, and trust me on this. I ain't nobody to judge you, and I'm not gonna judge you. I give you my word. So whatever you have experienced, or whatever according to you friendship is, you can comment, you can tell me about it, and I'll think of answering them whenever I get time. Though as I said, सब वेले बैठे, टाइम तो मिलेगा, बट क्या है ना, सबकी जिंदगी होती है जीने के लिए. So I'm hoping for the best though, because I'm not here to gain some attention or publicity or something, because I know that मेरे खुद के ऐसे कुछ दोस्त हैं जो मेरा खुद का मजाक उड़ाने वाला है. So I don't think so that's gonna stop me for doing what I want to do, or what I have been thinking of doing for the past 3 years. So it's now or it's never, guys. That's what I think. So I am doing it. I'm doing what I feel is I'm doing something good, and I'm doing something different in my life, because this is something a new experience for me. Because all these years, since very long time, हम सब देखते हैं लोगों को YouTube में videos बनाते हुए, but we never, how you say, we never concentrate, or we never notice the topic. Like stand-up comedians को ले लो. Why they are doing it? Half of the time they make fun of themselves. They're not doing it just because उन्हें मजा आता है. They're doing it because they are making someone else happy. They're making someone else laugh, and it's not easy to make others laugh. Even कुछ दोस्त भी ऐसे होते हैं जो तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा हंसाते हैं. Even I have friends like that, and I appreciate them for being there in my life. So guys, again, the topic is, आपके हिसाब से दोस्ती क्या है? According to you, what friendship is. Define in your own ways, in your own words. Not a big deal. हिंदी में define करना, हिंदी में define करो. इंग्लिश में define करना, इंग्लिश में define करो. बस दूसरी लैंग्वेज में नहीं जाना, क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा. नहीं, ऐसे में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो जाता, लेकिन वो समझाने में थोड़ा बट उतना कनेक्शन होने में टाइम लगता है. सो all the best, guys, and please show some love and support if you guys can, and thank you. I love you. Adios, guys. Peace. Bye bye.